Welcome students to Concrete Technology. In last video, we discussed about the initial and final setting time of cement. Now, in this video, we shall discuss about the compressive strength of cement or how to find compressive strength of cement. Compressive strength of cement is the most important parameter and hence this test is one of the most important tests. This test could not be performed on the cement paste due to excessive shrinkage and the subsequent cracking of the neat cement paste. Standard mortar is prepared by mixing standard sand conforming to IS 650 1960. This sand is generally supplied from this sand is generally supplied from Ennore from Tamil Nadu. Hence, it is also known as Ennore sand or Madras sand. So, for this test, we use standard sand conforming to IS 650 1966. Apparatus required for this test are vibration machine, which is conforming to IS 10,080 1982. Then we require cube mold to form a cube of mortar. So cube mold of 70.6 mm size conforming to IS 10080 1982 is required. And to test or to find the compressive strength, we require compression testing machine conforming to IS 14858 2000 and calibrated with an accuracy of plus minus 1% as per the requirement of 1828 class 1. Then we require balance, digital balance for weighing the ingredients of mortar, that is cement, sand and water. We require balance. The permissible variation at the load of 1000 gram shall be plus minus 1 gram. Sensibility reciprocal shall be not greater than the twice the permissible variation. Then a graduated glass cylinder for measuring water of capacity 150 to 200 ml. To conduct this test, we follow the IS code IS 4031 part 6 1988, in which in this IS code the method of physical test of hydraulic cement, the determination of compressive strength of hydraulic cement and other masonry cements is given, and it is reaffirmed or revised in May 2014. So test procedure for this experiment or this practical, we have to prepare first test specimen. Clean appliances shall be used for mixing, and the temperature of the water and that of the test room at the time of when the above operations are being performed shall be 27 degrees centigrade. Potable or distilled water shall be used in preparing the cubes. The material for which cube shall be mixed separately, and the quantity of cement, standard sand and water shall be the cement of 200 grams, or in more accurately, take a cement 185 grams. Take a standard sand of 555 grams. Then mix it in dry condition for 1 minute. Add water of P by 4 plus 3.5 when ordinary sand is used, and P by 4 plus 3 when standard sand is used. P by 4 plus 3% of combined weight of cement and sand. P is nothing but the standard consistency of cement. That means the water required to prepare a consistent paste of cement, as we discussed in first practical. When mix these three ingredients thoroughly till the mixture is of uniform color. The mixing time should be between 4 3 to 4 minutes. The mold is fitted on the table of the vibrating machine immediately after mixing and compacted at least for 2 minutes. This process should be completed within 5 minutes after the mixing of the ingredients of mortar. Immediately fill the mortar, thus prepare into cube molds of size 70.6 mm is placed on non-porous base plate which is oiled from inside. Compact the mortar by standard means. Keep mold in 90% humidity at 27 degrees centigrade temperature for 24 hours. Where the humidity room is not available, the mold can be kept under wet gunny bags or for 24 hours. Then remove the cubes from molds after 24 hours and keep immersed under the clean water till the moment of testing. Shall be tested on their sides without any packing between the cube and the steel plates of the testing machine. One of the patterns shall be carried out on the base and shall be self-adjusted, and the load shall be steadily and uniformly applied starting from zero at the rate of 35 Newton per mm per minute. The observations are recorded in tabulated form. Total 9 cubes are required to test. 3 cubes for after 3 days, another 3 for after 7 days, and another 3 after 28 days. So we have to measure the cross sectional area in mm square and reading our load taken by the cube in Newton. So compressive strength is equal to load taken by the cube divided by the cross sectional area of the cube. So this table is used to record the measured compressive strength of the cube shall be calculated by dividing the maximum load applied to the cube during the test by the cross-sectional area.
Three grades are to be mixed in equal proportion. Next, the vibrating machine, measuring jar, mixing dish, vise, balance, stopwatch, mold of 7.06 centimeter size as per IS 4031-1968. Now let us see the procedure of this strength test. A thin film of petroleum jelly is applied to the contact surfaces of bottom of mold and its base to avoid water escapes during vibration. After applying the petroleum jelly, fix the mold in the vise and place the assembled mold on the table of vibration along with vise. Finally, hold it in position by means of suitable clamps on the vibration. Now, place the sample of cement 200 grams into the mixing dish. Take 600 grams of sand, duly mixing sands of grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 in equal proportion. Total of 600 grams of sand is taken. That is the proportion of 1:3 by weight. Water to the mix. Quantity of water to be added will be P by 4 plus 3% of combined weight of cement and sand, where P is percentage of water required for normal consistency. Mix it thoroughly to get uniform paste. This process of adding water and mixing to get the uniform paste should be completed within 4 minutes from the addition of water to the cement, and this should be conducted at 27 degrees centigrade temperature. Place the sample in the mold fixed on the vibration machine now. The mortar will be tamped with a rod for 20 times. Mix is placed again in the mold and tamp it again for 20 times. Vibrate the vibration machine for 3 minutes. Remove the mold with the base plate and smoothen the surface with a trowel. Keep it in the room temperature for 24 hours. Then remove it from the mold. Keep it in water curing for 27 days. Test the specimen in the compressive testing machine by placing the cube in between the platens of the testing machine. Apply the load at an uniform rate. Note down the load taken by the sample at its total failure. Load taken by the cube divided by area of the face of the cube which is in contact with the platens of the compressive testing machine will be the compressive strength of the cement. Recommendations of the compressive strength values of the ordinary Portland cement are as follows. For 33 grade cement on 3 days testing, the compressive strength should not be less than 160 kg per centimeter square. For 43 grade cement, it should not be less than 230 kg per centimeter square. For 53 grade cement, it should not be less than 270 kg per centimeter square. On 7 days curing, for 33 grade cement, it should not be less than 220 kg per centimeter square. For 43 grade cement, it should not be less than 330 kg per centimeter square. For 53 grade cement, it should not be less than 370 kg per centimeter square. On 28 days curing, it should not be less than 330 kg per centimeter square for 33 grade cement, 430 kg per centimeter square for 43 grade cement, and it should not be less than 530 kg per centimeter square for 53 grade cement as per the IS specifications as you see in the table now.